Dad say this fine evening?
Oh, the strong stuff.
Coming right up, sir.
No. Strong stuff.
With all due respect, sir, are you absolutely sure?
Yes. I'm very sure. Thank you.